The world's most advanced intelligent truck mixer factory. Annual output of 25,000 units. Product value of more than 10 billion. 4 intelligent processes: blanking, welding, painting, assembly. The first intelligent product line of truck mixer drum in the world, leading 30 years in the industry. Unmanned black light operation. Auto welding with robots. Electrostatic powder coating. Initiate automatic space warehouse of big parts. Uphold data automatically. General assembly. Quality control system. Logistics distribution. Part assembly. Laser coding. Whole machine inspection. Offline 1 unit every 18 minutes. Whole machine test and inspection. Intelligent Manufacture Summit. Industry benchmark.